Hello everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you another kit that I made, and also it's only one. Let me to show you. For the kit you have one of these burlap tote bag, and inside is a burlap pocket journal. Because I found this in my stash, I still have one more set of these burlap pocket. That last time I made it as a smell the roses kit. So who haven't bought this kit? But this is actually totally different with the kit that I made. The only the thing the only thing is same is the burlap pocket, okay, and all other thing is I believe it's different. So this is the front. I use the pen to pin this small tiny burlap pocket and put the tag here. I printed all this tag here, journal tag, and this is one of my handmade tattered muslin fabric flower. Okay, new one, and I added this flower, and I don't have any more of this. And at the back there I add this cardstock, how to call this cardstock here. You can whitewash or anything you can do with this. And also I add this one of the printed fabric behind here, okay, and I use the twine to make a bow here, and also hang one of these tiny bottle with the dry rose bud, okay. And all the pocket only have 4 because I don't have any more, so only have 4 pages. All the page I sew all this spool tag, so this double layer, and inside the pocket here all is same, okay. So you have 4 large tag here. And for the inside is, and this images is from Etsy shop. I will pop her link below the description box if you want to purchase. So I use these images and add the layer with the I haven't glue, so just leave it and show you the sample here. And the hanging tag here, fabric, another with this beautiful embroidery lace, okay. Another page also, the beautiful ladies here underneath. Another one here with this one is my hand dye lace fabric. Another 2 pages like so with the tag here, okay. This is the journal pocket, and all the items are included is 2 yards of this beautiful trim, okay. This one, and also added one of this fabric, and also with this my hand dye lace fabric. Also with 2 of these mauve color or maroon color embroidery applique, and also I think 20 but let me check. Uh, 30 inches of this, because I don't have any more of this beautiful very soft pink, dusty pink gathered lace, so you can include it in this kit. Also this vintage gold trim, and this one is about 1 yard, and also this. And this one, so this is about, I think, 20 inches or 20, yeah, more than 20 inches. As all this is already discontinued item, and one of these beautiful embroidery lace to match with this. Okay. And also this, the tea, very soft tea, this color. Okay, this is about 2 yard if I'm not wrong. Okay, all the laces are okay. One more, and this beautiful Venice lace. Okay, to match all the colors. And on back of my handmade flower, let me to show you. Here, and my crochet flower, I added this rosebud here, another color, another one, and the big one, another one. So this is the embroidery, crochet, and this is my handmade flower with the printed fabric. Okay, you have two different pattern, and this one also one of my handmade printed fabric flower. The beads, the center, one more, and this is the little tiny tag, so you can use this to hang to your journal. Different I have to find this. Okay, you have here, different here, like so. Okay, so yeah, this is the kit. Only have one, so yeah, if you are interested, you have to hurry. And is a first come first serve basis. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And I also will create some more limited quantity kit. So yeah, please feel free to stop by to our group of so yeah, you won't miss this out. Okay, so yeah, this is a kit, and all I put in here. So yeah, that's so. Okay, so yeah, I also creating this another more kit. This is I purchased this. Actually is for my collection, but I think this is matched with these kits because I have this with the porcelain doll set that who love to make the doll, you can, because I don't know how to make this. So yeah, who interested, so yeah, I will create it, and please stay tuned. Okay, I have many more kit coming up soon. And also this little tiny book box. So yeah, I have no idea what to do yet, but also will coming up soon. So yeah, thanks again for everyone who's stopping by to my channel. And yeah, if you like this kit, please give me a big thumbs up. And yeah, just stop by. You can leave me a comment below if you are interested, so I can send you my email, and or you can stop by to my Facebook kit group, yeah, to message to me. Okay, and thanks again for